Michael, is this the shoe? Now, of course, we can't show what kind of shoe this is.
That's okay. The color stands for.
But is this the shoe that the NBA wouldn't let you wear?
Yeah.
Now, why wouldn't they let you wear it? Just because it's ugly, I guess, for starters.
Hey, I agree with you. They are ugly.
Now, wait a minute. Didn't you help design these?
What up everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Jordan 1 mids. Now I know a lot of you hypebeasts out there hate the mids, but in this video, I'm going to change your minds or make you guys hate them even more. We'll see what happens. To start things off, the Jordan 1 mids come in this regular Jordan shoe box. For some reason I thought it would come in those retro Jordan boxes, but it's not a big deal. So I got these in a size 9.5 and these cost me about $150. Alright guys, now let's take a look inside. Ooh. First impression, I think the shoes look incredible. The red and white colorway really sets this off. By far, this is my favorite colorway for the Jordan 1s. The first time I've ever seen mids, I was at this ramen restaurant and I saw some dude wearing these and I was like,
what the fuck are those?
Because I've never seen mids before, I was so confused. They look exactly like the Chicago's except for the white heels. So I googled it on my phone and
the rest is history.
Funny story, when I was a kid, I was like, when I get older and get my own job, the first thing I'm gonna spend my paycheck on are the Jordan 1 Chicago's. Now that I am older and I do have a job, I just can't get myself to spend $1,500 on shoes. I just keep thinking in the back of my head, there's just more important things to spend your money on, like rent, insurance, student loans, all that boring adult stuff. Man, growing up sucks. Alright guys, enough of my stupid stories. Let's do a deep dive review on the shoe, starting off with the material. This has a nice tumble leather look, but Nike tricked y'all, man. Unlike the highs, the mids does not use real leather. This is all synthetic. It's hard to tell by just looking at it, but when you actually hold it in your hands, you can really feel that it's not real leather. The texture feels a little plasticky and stiff. Definitely not what real leather is supposed to feel like, but I have to admit, the shoes look good regardless. Another thing I want to point out is that my hands feel a little sticky after holding these. Like, listen to this. You guys can hear that, right? It's sticky. Is this normal for brand new Jordan 1 shoes? I haven't bought Jordan 1 since high school, so I have no idea what changed. Hopefully the person I bought these shoes from didn't do something to make it sticky. For the tongue tag, a lot of people hate the look of this tag. I have to agree with them, the Nike Air tag is so much cleaner, but there is an option to do a tag swap. I saw Nike Air tags being sold online for $30, which is pretty damn pricey, I'm not gonna lie. I'm most likely not gonna be doing a swap because I'm not that big of a sneakerhead. Of course, you have your classic glossy Air Jordan wing logos on both sides of the shoe. A difference between the mid and the highs, the tongue on the mid is not as puffy as what you see in the highs. This one's pretty thin, I don't feel any cushion in this tongue. It feels flat and there is nothing special to this. Moving on to the back of the shoe, of course you have your infamous white heels. Love them or hate them, it is here to stay. Another difference is that the silhouette on the mids is a lot straighter than the highs. On the highs you see more of an hourglass figure, which I gotta admit, the hourglass figure is more attractive. For the bottom of the sole, you have your classic Nike soles, which is designed for maximum traction. I can firsthand say that the grips on these are incredible. I was balling with some 70-year-olds at the Y, and they kicked my ass, but my shoes look better, so who's the real loser? Anyways, the sole features extruded stars at the front, similar to the Jordan 4s. Alright, so here's what bothered me the most about these shoes, and that is the obvious glue marks between the upper and the sole. Throughout the shoe you can see this and it just looks very sloppy. The 8-year-old child that Nike hired to make my shoe did a really bad job, and maybe, just maybe, if Nike hired adults next time and paid them a fair wage, we wouldn't be seeing these glue marks. Just kidding, or am I? Now let's take a look at how these shoes look on feet. Alright guys, now on to my final thoughts. Aesthetically, the shoes are head turners. Nike really killed it with this look. But getting down to the details, I feel like the material could be a lot better, and also the craftsmanship. One main thing that bothered me the most is the obvious glue mark between the upper and the sole. So do I recommend buying these shoes? Well, I bought these shoes to relive a childhood dream, so yes. Yes, I do recommend buying these shoes. That's it for this week's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.